Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. And in today's video, we have a little Tiffany Co unboxing. So if you want to see what I got for my birthday, then please continue to watch. Before we jump into the unboxing, I just want to say, hey girl, hey. I know it's been a minute since I have uploaded a video on YouTube. I think it's been a month. It may even be a little bit more than that. And on top of that, the last video I uploaded was about starting your YouTube channel and being consistent, and then I go MIA. It was not intentional. I guess I needed a break and didn't even know it, but I am back in full force, and I wanted to do a little birthday unboxing because my birthday was last month, and I think I'm going to break this into 3 parts because there's just certain pieces that I think deserve their own video. And so without further ado, we're going to jump right into this unboxing. It's become like a tradition, I'd say, for the past maybe 3 birthdays that my husband gives me a piece from Tiffany, and I just love that. We just need to consistently keep this going. And I was so surprised and shocked when he got me this piece, and I never even heard of it. So I figured it might be helpful if anybody else is looking at this piece, or it might just be something to put on your radar. So this is not a true unboxing because my birthday was in July, so I got this last month, but I did wrap her back up all nice and cute so we can go ahead and pretend like we're doing this together for the first time. So let me go ahead and jump on in. So this is the box that she came, the bag that she came in, and then this is the box. I tried to tie this as pretty as I could, but here she goes. So I'm just going to take that off, and I just love this Tiffany blue color, and put this down. So this is what she looks like. I love this packaging. It's so luxe and heavy. And then you press this little button right here, and you open her up, and there she is. I'm going to bring her closer so that way you guys can see all the little details, but there's like a little pillow insert here that says Tiffany Co. This is the Paloma Picasso olive leaf cuff. Her entire collection is inspired by the olive branch, a symbol of peace and abundance. I love discovering new designers, and I did not know that Pablo Picasso, yes, that Picasso, had a daughter who's successful in her own right and who designs jewelry and fashion pieces, and specifically jewelry under the Tiffany house. I did not know that. So it was wonderful learning about this piece as a birthday present because it was so surprising. So I'm gonna take her out of here and put her on and show you what she looks like. Her olive collection is available in a variety of different products and also a variety of different metals. So she offers pieces in yellow gold, rose gold, and also in sterling silver. She has pieces with diamonds, pieces without diamonds. There are earrings and necklaces and rings, a variety of different things. I definitely have my eye on the matching ring now that I have this gorgeous cuff. So let's go ahead and put her on, and I'm just gonna slide her through here, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna pull my sleeve down just so that way you can see exactly what she looks like. I think it's so gorgeous. This is what the back looks like, and this is in a size medium. She's also available in a size small, but this is what the medium looks like, and this is the narrow cuff. I think she's so gorgeous. I would not use her as a stacking piece. I think she deserves to be on her own. So that's why I didn't wear any other jewelry, because I wanted her to have her moment. I'm not sure if I mentioned the price or not, so I did want to let you know in case you're interested in this same piece. She retails for $1,150. And this piece, it has weight to it, but it's not heavy. It has weight in the fact that it feels like a luxurious piece of jewelry to own, but it doesn't feel so heavy that it's confining. And I like the fact that it's a cuff because I don't feel like restricted by it or anything. It feels very comfortable on my wrist. And I think she is just absolutely gorgeous. So this is what she looks like in case you are looking to add this to your wish list or adding it to your jewelry collection. I honestly couldn't have asked for a more thoughtful or gorgeous piece. This is something that I know I will cherish for the rest of my life and something that I will pass on to my children. I think she is just absolutely stunning. I love where she falls on my wrist. I love the meaning behind the olive branch collection by Paloma Picasso. I love it. Thank you guys so much for unboxing my birthday gift with me. If you own any Paloma Picasso pieces, please comment down below and let me know what's your favorite piece. If this is something that's new and on your radar, be sure to go to the Tiffany Co website and check out all of the different pieces because there's such a wide variety of things to choose from. And I'm so happy to have this in my collection. If you love lifestyle, travel, beauty, fashion, all of that kind of stuff is what you will find on this channel. So please consider subscribing and be sure to stick around for part 2 of my birthday gifts. I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.